The moment you buy a Samsung A56 5G, you realize it's not just another phone, it's completely different experience. The first thing that hits you, it's the display. Colors feel alive, blacks are deep and everything is so sharp it almost doesn't look real. Then you step outside and the brightness cut through sun like it's nothing. Next is the battery. You start your day early, take photos, watching videos, scroll for hours. And somehow by the evening there's still enough left to keep going. And then you discover the hidden features, multi-window multitasking, smart gestures, customization you never had before. It feels like the phone was made to adapt to you. You start testing the camera, and it surprises you. Photos are crisp, color pop, and even in low light it holds up better than you'd expect for a phone in this range. But above all, it's the way it feels to use. Smooth, responsive, comfortable in your hand and a little addictive. You start reaching from it without even thinking. Once you switch, you understand, and if you're even thinking about getting one, you'll want to see what's coming next. So hit subscribe now because next video might change the way you look at your phone.